I'm gonna try and attempt a halo eyeshadow today, and I just wanted to show you how I do it. I'm gonna be using the Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette, mostly the rose gold color, and we're gonna go ahead and try and find our crease. So basically I'm just moving this into where my eyeball kind of sinks into my skull. Do the other side. And this has to be a matte eyeshadow because it's creating a shadow, and shadows are not shimmery. So I'm gonna do it in little circles into the crease area because I am blending this out. And then what I want to do is grab a small definer brush. I'm just gonna go in with like a cranberry-ish color, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put it mostly onto the outer third of my eye. So I kind of separate it where you see like my iris. So I'm covering, you know, this white section with the darker eyeshadow. And with the halo makeup, I'm also going to cover this inner 1/3 as well. And I'm following it in a circular pattern because I want to emphasize the eyeball, the roundness of the eyeball, I guess. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, same thing here, outer third, inner third. I like to also do the bottoms as well, so I'm going to do the outer and inner bottom. And you don't need much eyeshadow, you can definitely just use whatever's left onto your brush. Make sure everything is connected. So kind of do a quick sweep with the inner and the outer, make that round halo kind of look. So I'm going to go ahead and blend this now. So I'm going to go back into my white little fluffy brush and make sure that it's not harsh at all. And you don't want to blend too much with this one because it'll just start looking kind of muddy. Round and round. So when I'm blending, I'm actually doing little circular motions, but I'm like sweeping it into the iris, and the same thing on this side, I'm sweeping it into the iris. I also like to line the eyeliner. I want to do the bottom. And the other side. Hi, Hunter. Home from school. This is supposed to be our spring break / isolation from the coronavirus. Sorry, so I'm lining only the upper rim of my eye. I actually don't really do too much on the upper lid because I want that halo to pop. Okay, so now you can kind of see there's a space in the middle where the iris is. I'm gonna go in with like a shimmery eyeshadow. Oh, I'm wearing a black glove as well. I usually do this for makeup clients because I can just easily take out product and then I just throw the glove away. It's more sanitary that way. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in with a brush just right into the middle of the eye. Oh, so pretty. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side because this is a little pretty strong. So kind of just where your iris is, you want to put that in. I'm going wide at the bottom and just fading thinly when I reach the top. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side, fade it up. And what I'm doing is just pawing at my eye, just slowly fading up. And I'm gonna add some on the bottom as well. And the other side. Isn't that pretty? It looks like I'm crying glitter. I'm gonna grab some eyelashes and do my eyebrows, and I'll be right back. I'm just gonna use this magic lash adhesive that I bought from Camera Ready Cosmetics down in the States. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply just a little squeezy amount on here. When you're applying glue onto the eyelashes, you want to make sure that you follow the manufacturer's instructions. And I also like to put 2 extra dots on the very ends just for extra security, because I find that depending on the kind of lash that you're wearing, it can lift quite easily on the ends. So when you're putting eyelashes on, I usually grab a tweezer so it's not close to the glue whatsoever. And then I look down into the mirror and then kind of just slide it in from the top. And I place it into the middle, and then I go ahead and grab the outer ends and then place it onto the outer end. And I grab the inner and then place it into the inner, and then you can push it in with your finger to kind of secure it. Make sure that your tweezer is kind of like in the middle of the eyelash like this, so it's not touching the glue, but you still have a pretty sturdy grip on it. You want to go in downwards. I'm wearing eyelash extensions. They are so grown out because I haven't been able to get a fill with Stephanie. We trade eyelash extensions and it just makes your life so much easier as moms. We like wake up looking not like zombies. Wait till that dries a little bit. I'm just gonna quickly comb some stuff into my eyebrows. So I'm just gonna use this MAC brow set. I like to start kind of in the middle and brush it up and out. And this one is a lighter color because I have blonde in my hair. Out. I kind of like that hairy brow look. Plain lip. I'm just gonna do plain matte liquid lipstick because I want the eyes to pop and not the lips to kind of compete with it. I'm just gonna do a contour / blush thing. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this, start at the top of my ear and kind of brush downwards like this. You don't want to go past like the iris of your face, and you don't want to go past the tip of the nose. So you kind of like see where the smile line is. You don't want to go past that. And top of the ear, and most of your color should be deposited in the back, and then you kind of just blend it out front. Same thing on this side. And I'm gonna just take a little bit more, and then I'm just gonna flatten my brush and just go down the side of my noses. Actually, I kind of do more of the contour on the top of my nose. Kind of like boom, boom, 2 lines. And just fluff that out. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with a little bit more of a color. What is this? Shy Rose. This is the NARS Orgasm kind of dupe. Oh, so pretty. It's got a nice pinky gold. Shimmer to it and just makes the skin so nice. So that is the Halo eyeshadow look. I hope you guys like this look.